Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing and overview of Acid Thunderbase X2T Bluetooth earphones. Let's take a look at the box and after that, we'll see what's inside it. There is some images of the product on both sides of the box. It comes with a 1500 mAh automatic charging storehouse. Let's take a look at the specifications. It has a 4.2 wireless chipset with 2.4 GHz frequency. Its wireless range is up to 10 meters. The battery capacity of the earphones is 85 mAh and the capacity of the charging case is 1500 mAh. It comes with CYC 6.0 active noise cancellation and a built-in microphone for making calls. You can pause the video anytime if you wish to read the specifications or the usage instructions. Now, let's open the box and see what's inside. A warranty card with a cashback offer is on top of the box. You can pause the video and read it, if you wish. There's nothing on the back side. We'll keep this aside and let's see what else is inside the box. The earphones and the charging case is on top of the box. Let's take it out. The earphone is very small in size and feels really good in hands. The power button is on the back side of the earphone. Well, let's keep this away and take a look at the charging case. The capacity of the charging case is 1500 mAh. The charging port is on the right side of the case. We need to charge the case in order to charge the earphones. I'll show you how to charge the earphones. That's it, we just have to plug in the earphones. You can carry this charging case in your pocket anywhere without any problem. Let's keep this aside, and we'll see what else is inside the box. A carrying pouch is provided with the box. The pouch is black in color. It attracts dust like a magnet. Let's see how it holds the earphones. It looks really nice and it keeps the earphones safe from dust. Let's keep this aside. A micro USB charging cable for charging the case. The cable is of good quality. You can charge the storehouse directly from a wall adapter or using this cable with a laptop. 3 pairs of earbuds is also provided with the box. Already there is 1 pair of earbuds is on the earphone, so that makes it 4 in total. Let's keep these away, and we'll take a look at the earphones. Let's take it out from the pouch. To power on the earphones, we have to press the button for 2-3 seconds. That's it, it's powered up. The same applies to power off the earphones. Now, let me show you how to pair it with your phone. You have to press the button on the second earphones until the light blinks to enter pairing mode. That's it, now you can pair this earphones with your phone. I paired my phone with this earphones. I'll show you how it sounds. You can get an idea of the sound quality. The earphone is great in terms of sound quality. Bass and treble is perfectly combined to provide a good experience. The sound is louder and better than expected. I didn't expect this quality and loudness from this small earphones. Let's see how it gets charged. The red LED shows that the earphones is charging. There is a magnet inside the charging case. It prevents the earphones from falling out of the case. There is a battery power indicator on top of the case. I'm charging the case with my laptop. It took nearly 2.5 hours to fully charge it. The battery of the earphones will last for almost 4-5 hours as mentioned. The storehouse can charge the earphones approximately 17 times on a full charge. We'll keep this aside and let's take a look at the earphones. The earphones is good in all aspects. It is very light in weight. We can use it for a long time without any problem. I have been using this for a while, and I have personally used many Bluetooth earphones. I'd say this is one of the best Bluetooth earphones in the market. That's all I have to say, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.